Hi, Richard Huntley here, and today's workout we're going to be looking at how to get rid of that stubborn back fat with this combination exercise. You're going to love it. There's 3 points to this exercise, so make sure you watch carefully each and every one of them. I'm going to break it down step by step so you understand how you can go and use it straight today for the rest of this week. Start bringing this exercise into your life. It's good for the entire body, but it's going to help you lose your back fat as well. So here's the first setup point. First of all, we're going to do a sumo squat. All this is regular squats, more shoulder width apart. This one we slightly turn the heels in, so feet's going slightly outwards, and it's a little bit wider as well. So we just come down here like this direction. Okay, so as we come down here in a sumo squat, we're going to push through, and as we come up, we are going to lean to one side, and then you're going to kick your foot out. If you've got ornaments around you and things at home, please go careful. I don't want to get the blame for you kicking over one of your parents or whoever you're living with's favourite ornament, okay? Look around you, make sure everything's all okay, just before we get started. So here, lean to one side, fire a side kick out. Bang, there. Then back down, here, just like a sumo wrestler similar does. Fire down. The third part is where we use the entire body. Hand down to burpee sumo squat, there, and then we're going to come back up, keeping the sumo squat, so you're keeping it wide all the time. Good for the inner thighs as well, but big calorie burn, going to lose the back fat as well. So here's the setup, this is what it's going to look like now. So we're going to go 1, bang, 2, down, bang, this way, hands down, fast feet, back up, here into position, 1. And then we can come down with the squat if you want. Then you can push back, you see? So it's a very full body exercise, as you can see. Flexibility on the legs from left to right. Hands are popping down for stability. Firing your legs back just as fast as they go out. You want to bring them back in as well. Keep your abs tight, core tight, everything tight. Then you're going to work your entire body throughout. That's what we're trying to work for here. My exercises, we're combining exercises together. And what this gives is you a bigger calorie burn, not just in this workout, but through the entire day. And that's the key point, the take-home point for today. This workout today is a great one. It's going to be in my countdown style format. And here's the setup. We're going to go 10 knees to start with. So make sure we're doing a big stretch onto the back here, and then we're going to fire through. We can meet the abs too for 1, 2, 3, all the way through till we get to 10. Around about 9, let's say that's 10 there. Once you've hit your 10, the next part is to pop down, and you're going to give us 10 style mountain climbers. So you're going to come here. You can either go single ones like this, which is absolutely fine, but I would say touching each time. And I actually touch my feet on the floor. You can do it this way, but I actually find it a little bit trickier and more challenging to place the feet. So like this, because you're really going to engage the muscles. Once you've hit 10 there, pop back up, switch to the other side, you fire your 10 this side, you go back down, you're going to do your 10 again, boom, boom, boom. Once you've done through your entire 10, you're going to come back up. So you're going to go 10, 10, 9, 9, 8, 8, 7, 7, the whole way through. That's why they're the countdowns. Start with 10, the next one you're going to work to 9, all the way down to 1. By then, you're going to be quite out of breath, really gets the heart rate up. Great workout for you to try. See you in the next video, and take care.